Hi guys, I'm Kate and today we start cooking dish which name is lasagna. Let's go! So, what ingredients we need? There are ground beef, tomato paste, sheets for lasagna, milk, flour, cheese, onion, garlic, 2 cloves, carrot, butter, sunflower oil, salt and pepper. Let's start with pasta bolognese. At first, grate carrots. Then, cut onion on the little parts. And our garlic. We go to our pan. Now we add our ground beef and add onion and carrot. And we mix all of these ingredients. At first we will fry them, and after that we will stew these ingredients and cover with a lid. And now we open our tomato paste. And we add our tomato paste. Three or 4 spoons. After that we mix it all. Add our garlic. Add salt and pepper. Our pasta bolognese is finished. While our pasta is cooking, we start preparing the bechamel sauce. Butter. We are waiting when our butter is melted. Mix it our butter, add flour and milk. And mix all of these ingredients. Waiting for the mixture to thicken. Stir the dish with the spatula. Our mixture starts to thicken. This consistency is right for our dish. Turn off the fire. Our sauce bechamel is ready. Let's start to cut our cheese. I very like cheese, and you guys? Okay, we finished, and now we start place lasagna sheets in a baking dish. We have silicone foil. It darkens due to the temperature of the oven. We add oil. The first layer of our lasagna is sauce bolognese. We should split our sauce on the 3 parts. One part we use now. Okay. After that we use our list. Oh, I forgot. In this list we need to add boiling water. 2 minutes. While I heat the water, now I'll take a pot for our lasagna list. We need 250 grams. We take our pot, stay at 5, and our boiled water. Our boiled water is ready, and we throw our list on 1 or 2 minutes. Or you need to add oil. I throw 3-4 lists. After 1 or 2 minutes, we use a bowl with cold water. We cook our list al dente. And the last lasagna sheets, we finished cook them. Now we need to dry our lasagna sheets. We use our towel, and after that we lie that here. Some of them we cut on the little part. Sheets can be different, and you can choose different forms of them. After that we use our sauce bolognese. We split this sauce on 2 parts. My phone is dead on 20 minutes, and I started to these sheets of lasagna. Now I do this layer of sauce bolognese and this sauce bechamel. And all of this I will put into the oven, and at the end I add cheese. Open the oven, take our lasagna. Our hot lasagna, and spread our cheese on the top. Take over on 5 minutes. Ta-da! Looks like yummy. Our lasagna is ready. Let's cut it. Oh my god. Guys, it's fantastic. Please repeat this recipe. It's very cool. It's very tasty. Thank you for watching, and bye!